Welcome back fellows to Heaven of Aromas. This is Vivek Arora and I represent Heaven of Aromas. So this week I have something very special for you. Something which I love to do every night. Don't be naughty, I'm talking about oils. So last week I was talking about sleeping essential oil blends to give you sound sleep. This week also we will talk about a blend which will help you give sound sleep, but this is a very stronger version of a oil and one of my favorites. So in this blend we will be using neroli. Neroli is having a feminine fragrance. It calms highly charged emotional states and redirects the energies. Relaxing yet stimulating, energetic yet confident. All emotional traumas are washed away. And when it comes to sleep, let's not forget our favorite lavender oil. This is calming yet intuitive, just like a wise woman. Emotional conflicts are all washed away. And I just love the fragrance of this. And the third oil which we'll be using is cedar wood. Cedar wood gives you strength. It releases all the tension and aggression you had during the day and relaxes your mind. So this combination of this will be very good for our blend. So we will start with neroli. We'll be having 2 ml of neroli, and just like in my last video you saw, to fasten the process I'll be using dropper, and I have to look at the measurement, so I got to sit down. Let's have 2 ml of neroli. You see the color of neroli is very pale yellow. It's very pale yellow. It's very close to transparent. And we have 1 ml. We need 1 ml more. Two ml of neroli. Neroli has a very feminine smell. And next we will have cedar wood, which has a very masculine smell. It comes from the wood of the trees, so that means it's very strong, just like a strong trunk of a tree. And like neroli has very feminine smell, cedar wood has very masculine smell. So it's a marriage of oils in the bottle. Let's see what happens after we let them mingle for a couple of weeks in the bottle. Are you curious? I am not getting naughty here. So we have 4 ml of masculine cedar wood and neroli in this container. Next is lavender. You see, I'm changing my droppers for each essential oil I use, because I don't want to touch my essential oils and adulterate them with another essential oils. So if you are using droppers for your essential oils, do keep in mind to use a new dropper for every essential oil you use. 1 ml of lavender. Lavender is, if you say, it's totally transparent in color, but the smell is so good. Just a couple of drops more, and I got to watch the measurements very carefully here, because every drop matters. And yes, we are to the line of 5 ml here. And what I am going to do now here is, I think you can already take a guess, because you have seen my last video, haven't you? And if you haven't, I do recommend to go back and watch my previous video too. Otherwise you are missing something really very important. And now I have this small 5 ml bottle here. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can't explain you in my words. Even a woman doesn't turns me on more than my oils. Let's pour this in a 5 ml bottle. And this is our stock ready to serve us for next couple of months. I have a stopper here. And now this is in the blend and we have 3 different essential oils here. So let this oil blend, let them marry for a couple of weeks, 2 to 6 weeks, and you will have something unique, a new smell formulated in this bottle here. So there is actual chemical reactions going on in the bottle. So now what goes on inside the bottle when you make a blend is something for the advanced levels. I'm not going to speak all those things in this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, do post in the comment section below and I will get back to you. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any video, and keep yourself updated. See you in the next video.